this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use SEEP-W model to estimate seepage, exit gradient, and pore water pressure. Let us say we have been given a problem geometry where there is a sheet pile wall and then there is water level on two sides. The hydraulic conductivity of the soil has been given. I highly recommend drawing hand-drawn flow nets before starting the SEEP-W model. This will give you an idea what to expect, the discharge, the hydraulic gradient and pore water pressure by hand. This is very necessary when you are learning something new. In this problem, the blue lines represent flow lines, the red lines represent equipotential lines. By using hand-drawn flow net, let us say we calculated the discharge, that is Q, that is given as 8.2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4 cubic foot per second per foot length of the sheet pipe. Exit gradient was estimated as 0.5. Please note, this is very rough estimate by hand-drawn flow net. So this will give us an idea what to expect when we start using SEEP-W. There are few important steps when we are using SEEP-W model. First, make sure that you are using student license. Then remember that GeoStudio 2012 is different than GeoStudio 2016 version. I highly recommend using GeoStudio 2016 because that is the latest version. The first thing which you are going to do is to set page, units and grids so that we can draw the geometry. Then the next thing is to sketch the geometry. Note, there is a different command, sketch and draw in SEEP-W. Sketch represents just drawing the geometry. Draw represents drawing the soil regions. So these are the two different commands which you will be using when modeling with any GeoStudio software. Then the next step is to give the material properties and apply those properties to the soil region. Then we are going to create mesh. We are going to apply boundary conditions. We need to take the cross section so that we can check our answers or we can draw graphs at that cross section. Then we are going to solve it and view the results, and we could export the results to the Excel or any other software so that we can have further processing.